haven't done a video in a while, but I thought everyone deserved like a little bit of an update video about what's kind of going on with all the cars, because there's like lots of different bits going on. But yeah, so we've just finished helping Sam's granddad out with the pumpkins. You love it. He's been rotivating and I've been doing some watering, so I just thought we'd make one on the way back. So at the moment with my car, it's still in the body shop. Oh god, this is so bumpy. It's still in the body shop. It has had quite a lot of rust cut out of it, more than we were expecting.
There's no weld job on the top, so there was no weld job on around here.
Oh god. I think it was about 3 years ago, by another garage. I didn't have a lot of money at the time, so I think it cost like $8.50 or something, and they did some like really dodgy bodge job, and they didn't actually cut like any of the rust out, and they just sort of, yeah, they just
fiberglass meshed it.
Oh, it was, yeah, it was bad. So basically they cut off all the old stuff, and it was really annoying because I actually bought arches, so they could have like literally just cut it out and put it back in. Like there was not, they didn't need to make it or anything, so I never really understood why they didn't just do that. But anyway, so from that they've cut loads of bits out, and I was gonna do an update video from there each week when we went to visit it, but because the progress wasn't, it wasn't like, yeah, it wasn't really worth making a video then, so I've saved all the clips together, and then I'm gonna do sort of over time and then the reveal video with those in, so that's fine. And then when we saw it, they had just like taken windows out and filled in all the holes, and
oh, there's a crack in your door by the mirror, isn't there?
Yes, there is a crack by the wing mirror on the driver's side. I know that it was filled in before, but it's now, they're probably getting rid of it. But yeah, they're a really good garage. I'd highly recommend them, to be fair. They've been really lovely, and they've actually got a lot more business than probably bargained for, because now they've got Sam's mum's Nova in after, and then they've got Sam's dad's Beamer in, the 7 Series in after. So
it proves we all own rusty cars.
Well, yeah, we do, unfortunately. So probably Sam's car will go in next, maybe, we'll see. Depends. Anyway, talking about Sam's car, what do you want to say? Do you want to say anything?
Not really.
No? Okay, so
there'll be a reveal video.
Okay.
Sam gunning, so they'll do it.
Yeah, there'll be a reveal video. Obviously, and for mine, but with Sam's, it's not having bodywork done, so it's not that. But yeah, we'll leave. We'll leave it with that. It's having some exciting changes, so just sort of wait out for that. But yeah, so we're both having exciting changes. What else? Oh, Terry's. Oh no, wait, we'll go with Terry's, won't it?
Oh.
So Terry's car, which Sam has been doing the UK Kanjo build videos, so you can watch them. They have all been sort of leading up to this really. So Terry's had an engine swap done, and then Sam will do again another video with us putting that engine in, but that'll be a little bit later on.
Yeah, I haven't started it.
No, so that'll be a bit later on. And then also there's been an exciting new project. So we've started up KSP Cartel, which to start with is just sort of doing stickers and like car related stickers and stuff like that, but it's mainly sort of like gonna be streetwear and like yamikwai stuff like that, and just sort of focusing on like 90s Japanese stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I actually set the website up 3 3 days ago now. Oh Jesus, bright. 3 days ago now, and I've already had 2 orders, or quite big orders in America. So I was really excited to send them off. I think I got the order come through at like midnight or something, and I got up and like packed like the order just then. I was so excited.
Will the giveaway, is this video going to be up for the giveaway?
Yeah, I'm going to post it probably tonight or tomorrow. Okay. So at the moment there is a giveaway where because we got to 100 followers on the Instagram page. So basically all you need to do is tag 3 people in it, share it, and then make sure you're following the Instagram page, and then that's it, and you can win all the new stickers that we've released. But yeah, I'll put a link down below to the lovely store and the Instagram page. Please check it out. I'd really appreciate it, as I just sort of want to keep pushing. I'm really enjoying like what we're doing at the moment with the cars. I don't know, there's just a lot of exciting things. I know that a lot of people are like sort of struggling with lockdown, and we obviously do have our odd days where we have like rubbish moods and everything, but this has really been sort of quite motivating to sort of keep us going and sort of keep us sane, really, knowing that we've got some projects on the go, and it's not just like, oh god, I've got to go to work and I've got to do this, or oh, what am I doing today, or something.
I've got no cars,
yeah, so we realised that
I haven't got any. Between
us we usually have 5 cars, and at the moment literally we've just got the Beamer because Sam Civic's away, obviously, secretly, we're not telling you where though. My car's in the body shop. Sam, oh yeah, the BMs, Sam's Drift BM's got an MOT, so that's in our garage at the moment. And your race car, because racing, or like autograss, has been kind of cancelled for this year, it is currently just still in pieces, because when he came second last year at sort of the UK round, he had to have the engine stripped to check if it was sort of like legal and everything like that. Luckily it was, and he did come second, and we went to the award thing and it was lovely. But the engine is still like in pieces and we haven't put it back together yet. Well, you haven't put it back together, I won't touch it. Well, it hasn't been put back together yet. But yeah, I do really miss racing, and like, what was it, this weekend we're meant to be going to like Wales or something. Yeah. It's just like, oh. South Wales. Yeah, I really do miss it. By the sea as well. Oh. And I've never been to South Wales, which kind of sucks even more, because I really was looking forward to going. And also I was meant to be racing this year. I was meant to be, not racing properly, but I wanted to sort of have a go this year, and we never sort of got round to it. I got my number though, so that's as good as it gets.
Yeah, you get a licence.
Yeah, I've got my licence. I hope I don't have to pay for another year that I didn't even race.
And me.
And yeah, and you. But yeah, cool. Oh, we're home now. Well, luckily we're home, and actually I've just finished the video. But we don't have too much to update you from. Huh? I keep saying and Sam keeps clocking it. I can't help it.
Clocks it. What do you mean?
Okay, everybody clocks it. I'm an person. Okay, get over it. But basically we don't have anything else at the moment, I don't think.
Not really?
No.
Just
cool.
Waiting on everything.
Yeah, so mine should be ready in 3 weeks.
Roughly 3 or 4 weeks.
We're trying to see who's just gonna get there first.
Yours.
Well, I hope it's gonna be mine, but we don't know. The sort of like race to who's gonna get there first, but hopefully it'll be mine, because I'm really excited, and mine went in before Sam's. But yeah. Make sure to check out all the links below. There'll be links to everything, so check it out. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all the exciting updates coming up. But yeah, see you soon guys, bye.